Integrating Shiprocket with Wix is a straightforward process that enables you to streamline your shipping operations and enhance your e-commerce experience. To begin, you need to have a Wix online store and a Shiprocket account. First, log into your Shiprocket account and navigate to the Settings section where you will find the API keys. Copy the API key and API secret. You will need these to integrate Shiprocket with Wix. Next, log into your Wix account and go to the Wix App Market. Search for Shiprocket and click on the Add to Site button. You will be redirected to the Shiprocket app page where you need to click on the Connect button. Now, enter the API key and API secret you copied from your Shiprocket account and click on the Connect button. This will authorize Wix to access your Shiprocket account. After connecting your Shiprocket account to Wix, you need to configure the shipping settings. Go to the Wix dashboard and click on the Shipping tab. Select Shiprocket as your shipping provider and configure the shipping options according to your needs. You can set up shipping rates, print shipping labels, and track orders directly from your Wix dashboard. Make sure to test your shipping settings to ensure that everything is working correctly. Integrating Shiprocket with Wix offers numerous benefits, including automated shipping, discounted rates, and enhanced customer experience. By following these steps, you can easily integrate Shiprocket with Wix and take your e-commerce business to the next level. It is essential to note that you should regularly review and update your shipping settings to ensure that they are aligned with your business needs. Additionally, you can contact Wix and Shiprocket support teams if you encounter any issues during the integration process. By integrating Shiprocket with Wix, you can focus on growing your business while leaving the shipping operations to the experts. This integration is a game changer for e-commerce businesses, and it can help you to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction.